welcome back to my channel. And today's video is going to be a talk through makeup tutorial. By the way, this particular video I'm making for myself and for my memories. I really hope people can relate to this video, especially those who are a fan of, army of BTS. I'm going to talk about my point of view and how I became an army of BTS. This particular makeup look is V's signature makeup look in the music video On, which was a collaboration with Sia. So if you're interested to watch this video, please keep on watching. I hope it is not going to be long.
Excuse me.
And first of all, I'm not an artist and I don't know to draw. I'm just going to attempt this look. I hope the outcome is good. If not, I hope you will enjoy my experience of becoming a BTS army. If you're someone new and watching this face for the first time, I request you to hit that subscribe button and also do not forget to click that bell icon so that you'll be notified when I upload a new video. So let's start with the foundation first. The one I'm using is from Maybelline. It's their 24-hour Super Stay foundation and I am in the shade 310 Sun Beige. How is your quarantine going, guys? For me, I kind of started feeling sick right now, and that is why I did not post a video last week. And this particular video I had to film long ago, and finally I'm filming it. I hope I'm going to like the outcome of this. If not, I'm going to scrap it again. I discovered BTS maybe a year and a half back. So people who don't know BTS, first of all, I don't think so there are people who doesn't know about BTS, especially from our generation. But still, if you don't know who is BTS, it is a K-pop boy band group. It's called Bangtan Boys. Songs are globally recognized and it has a lot of meaning. And if you are interested in K-pop, I would suggest you guys to check out BTS. You will not regret it. I used to watch a lot of Chinese and Korean dramas, and one day on YouTube I got a suggested video of a song from BTS, and that song is nothing but Blood, Sweat, Tears. So this is a song that actually got me hooked to BTS. I am a kind of person who doesn't become a fan of anything that fast, and in case of BTS it happened like that. I heard that song, I watched the MV, but that was the first time I'm getting introduced to a K-pop group, and the kind of song was a little bit different when I first experienced it. I really liked the music. So the remaining songs of BTS, not everything, the famous ones, I actually heard it. I did not look at the visuals. But most of the songs I only listen from Spotify and Ghana. I think it came in the year 2016, and the visual was really great and I really liked it. But I did not have the interest to know who are those members, and I actually didn't know at that time that BTS was a very recognized K-pop band. I didn't know that. I was really surprised by the number of views that video had, and I thought, why not go check it out. That's how I watched that song. That was in the year 2019 starting. Nonetheless, I really love this song, and the second time I was urged to watch a visual was for the song Fake Love. And I heard it on TikTok and I went and searched for that, and surprisingly it was from BTS. So I watched it on YouTube, and guys, I became a fan instantly. Those times I was having a lot of pressure and stress, especially in my workplace, and the only thing I indulged was this BTS content. Back then I didn't know that there were more content of BTS. I was totally into their music videos, and I started switching on the captions in English and started learning the meaning of the song slowly, and I started watching their first album. Let me do the brows. For brows, I'm taking this Sugar Brow Arch Arrival in the shade 02 Top Tom. Brows are looking really long. Brow hairs have grown a lot, and sadly I am not comfortable shaving off the extras. I started watching from their first song, which is nothing but No More Dream. I really love this song. The first song itself is really good, guys. That was actually surprising for me, and I started learning more about the members of the band, and to be frank, more than the songs, I am a fan. I am an ARMY right now because of their personalities. Each and every member in this particular band has something in them.
Oh no!
까르보나라.
까르보나라! 까르보나라.
토니 몬타나?
오! 까르보나라.
라즈몬다라.
It makes me feel happy, first of all. Especially during this quarantine time, I started indulging in a lot of their content. For a person like me, I love music. I do not really care about the language, whether I understand it or not. Once I love the music, I'll go ahead and find the lyrics in English and just understand it. Sometimes it's not really necessary for me to understand the lyrics. The music, the beat, the vocals does the thing for me, because for me music is a sort of an escape.
It's really fascinating to see them dance and as well as sing, because their dance moves are very complicated, and I also love the way they are very goofy. It's really funny.
So I think this looks decent enough. To be frank, I did not get the actual way how it was looking on him. It's kind of a graffiti work on my neck right now. I think he had it till over here. I don't think I'm gonna do that, because anyways I'm gonna change my outfit and my shirt is gonna cover the part, most of the part over here. So I think this would be enough. Yeah, I know my tree is having a lot of branches. So for those of you who doesn't know what an ARMY over here denotes, ARMY is nothing but adorable representative MC for youth, and I'm really amazed by the number of fans BTS has. It's more than a fan, it's an army, guys. ARMY, the feeling of ARMY is different. Those of you who doesn't know these 7 members, I would say go ahead, watch this particular video which I'm going to link down below in the description box. Watch that, and after watching that video, if you're not liking BTS, then I don't have any words to describe. So yeah, watch that documentary if you are new and if you want to know about the members of the BTS. Yeah, after this particular thing, I started watching their concerts video, and I was again mind blown by the way the concerts happen. For BTS, it's really different. It's not like the normal concerts you go. Really surprised by the way they interact with the ARMY.
You can't do this. This was not on the set. Gonna stay young forever, right? Let's stay young forever together!
With the army bomb, if you haven't watched, I will show you how it looks, the concert, the stadium, how the stadium looks when BTS concert happens. It's magical. It's really, really magical. If you watch the concert videos, guys, I am sure you're gonna fall in love with them. Yeah, let's complete our makeup. What I'm gonna do is, since I've completed this part, my neck part, I'm going to contour my nose a bit and give my eyes a little bit of shape. I'm just gonna take a bit of contour powder in the flat shader brush. If you're seeing a little bit of hair over here, not little bit, I know it's more. I can't do anything, guys. I am helpless. I can't really shave them off. I'm afraid of shaving my brows off. That's why I'm not threading or shaving this thing off of my own. And I don't want to ruin the shape of my eyebrows. Step I'm going to do is tight line my upper waterline with a black liner. I'm going to use the same gel liner which I used to draw my tree. To the eyes, I am helpless because Tae's eye shape is really, really different and unique. It's double eyelid, I think it's called. As you can see the difference, your lash line will look a little more thicker. So most of these K-pop idols do line their upper waterline so that their eyes will look a little more defined, and for the lower waterline it will be almost plain. Mostly it will be plain. I think especially for BTS, in their first videos, first few years, they started lining their eyes completely, but after that they stopped it and they started doing this particular technique. That is what I have noticed so far from the MVs. And in the lower lash line, they make sure that they use warm bronzer or something reddish sometimes and apply it over the lash line to define the lower lash line. I'm going to do the same. So as you can see, it gives some color to your lower lash line. I am skipping on the lid. So for most of the K-pop idols, the mascara or the lashes they do is using a brown mascara. Since I do not have one, I'm using the black one. Brown looks a little more softer and a little more not makeup like, because they have fair glass skin. They will use brown so that it looks softer and a little bit flirtier. Once I apply mascara, I wanted to curl my lashes. I'm doing this just to make sure that my lashes stay with that curl. Okay, when it comes to K-pop groups, K-pop fans do have their biases. Bias is nothing but its favorite or their top priority. There are no rules to choose a bias. It's just my opinion that out of the 7 personalities, out of the 7 persons, each have different personality. Who's your priority person or who's your favorite person, whom you can relate your personality with? So that is how I choose my bias. So my bias is obviously Kim Taeyong. We also have a bias record. Bias in the sense will be very true and very devoted to that one person, but bias record is something that distracts you from your bias. So I know these words are really funny. If you are BTS army, you can relate with me. For me, the bias record is especially Jungkook and Jimin.
No, excuse me.
Excuse me.
When you compare their vocals from their first album No More Dream to the recent one, it has improved tremendously, and they have experimented a lot with their voices, with their vocal ability, and it's really mind-blowing. As you can see, I wrote these letters with my lip liner. So this is how it looks. My face is a bit small when compared to him, so it reached till my nose, so I'm gonna shade it black. So this is how it looks like. I had trouble filming it, so that is why I did it off camera. So I know it's looking weird over here just because the sentence I can't really fit it on my face. My face is just this much. You can't really fit that over here. So this is how it looks. This is the look. I have put my hoops. Next is for the lip. For lip, I'm going to do orange lip. So for that, I'm taking this particular shade. It's Lakme Enriched Lip Crayon in the shade Candid Coral. It's the crayon thingy, and it's really affordable. I just don't like the fragrance of it. I'm gonna concentrate more in the inner part.
Mostly we can see them being themselves, and maybe that is why BTS fandom is the world's largest and the best fandom.
Feathered it out. It has some pigmentation on my lips. So the next step I'm going to do is apply a gloss so that it looks like it's juicy. So I haven't been to any of the BTS concerts. I have this in my bucket list to at least attend a concert of BTS in my life, at least meet them. They have fan sign meetings, but they mostly organize it in Japan and Korea, maybe because they know that language and they are comfortable speaking with their fans. I'm not sure, it's just my assumption. Again, if something is wrong about this, just let me know through the comment section. And one thing I noticed in their concert is this one. It's the fan chant of BTS. Just look at the concert, how it is happening. It goes something like this. It's their name in order. So first it's Kim Namjoon. Kim Namjoon is the leader of BTS. Then Kim Sojin, which is the senior most member. And then according to the seniority, we have the names. I don't know why I'm telling all this, but it's kind of a memory I'm going to have. So that is why I'm really excited. I'm recording things that I should remind myself in future. I'm sure that I'm not gonna stop following them. Let's complete the look with the gloss. The gloss I'm using is from Fran Wilson. It's a young lip plumper. I'm just going to apply this in the middle part. So this gives that shiny juicy lip. And this is the final look, guys. So before leaving, I would like to share some of my favorite songs from BTS, and some of these songs are the solo, and most of them will not know about it. If you are someone new to BTS army, you will not know about these solo songs that exist, because I recently discovered them, especially during this quarantine time. A lot of BTS content, they have content like Run BTS. It's like a fun reality shows where they play games and stuff. So you have these in an app called VLive, and most of the fan interactions of BTS members happen in Weverse, which is also an app, but it's really difficult to catch hold of their attention, because they have millions of fans and millions of messages. There are times where the app itself has crashed. If one BTS member is active, one post comes in Weverse, people will bombard with messages and posts, so it's really difficult for them to notice. They do not have separate personal accounts on Instagram and stuff, and I just feel very sad because it's really restricting them from interacting more with their fans. It's becoming more like you're interacting with your own apps, your own stuff. Again, it's not their mistake, it's the big hit who is controlling it. Yeah, let's get back to these song suggestions. Most of them will know BTS main songs like Fake Love, DNA, and Blood, Sweat, Tears. All those are iconic BTS songs. There are certain songs which you need to listen. So the first one is Kim Taeyeon's Winter Bear. This particular song and this particular MV was completely filmed and directed by Kim Taeyeon himself. His voice, because it's very deep and soothing for me. Perfect lullaby. His voice is really touching my soul, to be frank. I really love his voice and the song Winter Bear. Do not miss, just watch it on YouTube. I am sure you're going to fall in love with this song. The next one is Epiphany by Jin. Into this high notes, the way he sings, the way he expresses the song is really out of this world. Voice, it's gonna take you to another world. And the next song, which is one of my favorite songs, is by Jungkook. It's his solo Euphoria, soulful voice. Suggestion of songs. First of all, my battery is dying and I have to end this video. If you want to know more suggestion of songs, I will put it in the description box specially for you guys with the links and stuff. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you have enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel till now, why wait guys, please hit that subscribe button. And if you want more of the BTS videos, let me know by hitting that like so that I can do more of the reaction videos and stuff. So see you on my next video guys. Until then, take care, bye.